A number of states are recording one-day highs for new infections for the coronavirus. Governors say Christmas is to blame, that people ended up spending the holidays with friends and families, and that's the cause of these new infections. The fear is that we could see this surge continue if enough people attended New Year's Eve celebrations like this one held at President Donald Trump's personal resort. Given the number of infections and the occupancy rate of the intensive care units, the University of Washington Institute for Health Metrics projects a possible death toll of 115,000 people in January. To put that in context, more than 77,000 people died in December, the country's deadliest month here in the United States. There have been problems with the rollout of the vaccines. The administration had wanted to vaccinate 20 million people by the end of 2020. So far, around only 14 million doses have been distributed to states. Only around 3 million doses have been administered. That's less than 1% of the population. There are reports of vaccines expiring, not being used and sitting on shelves. States who are responsible for conducting the vaccinations say they were hoping for more funds to oversee the rollout. They blame the federal government for not coordinating the distribution better. President Donald Trump has blamed the states, saying it's their responsibility. The Association of Immunization Managers says the holidays ended up disrupting the rollout, and it should be smoother next week.
I think there are a number of contributing factors to that. States are setting aside doses into the long-term care facility program, a little over 2 million doses there, and that's just getting off the ground. It'll really hit the ground running next week. There's also the holidays. Vaccine gets shipped out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then we had back-to-back weeks where Thursday and Friday were holidays. So it'll be really good to see what happens next week.
Despite the delay, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the public face of the government's fight against the coronavirus, has said he doesn't favor the British approach of delaying the second shot in the two-shot vaccines in order to get more people vaccinated with just the first shots. President-elect Joe Biden has said that he wants to see 100 million shots to vaccinate 50 million people in the first 100 days of his administration. Toby Muse reporting for CGTN, Arlington, Virginia.